What's holding you back from starting your travel business? Now, we took a survey not too long ago, and you'll be surprised at some of the things that people said that hold them back from starting their own travel agency business. So we'll be right back. You do not want to miss this. All right, so welcome back. So, like I was saying, we did let's see, can y'all see me okay? Anyway, we not too long ago did a survey just to see what hold people back from starting their own travel business. And we took a poll on it, and you'd be surprised with some of the people that say it on there. A small percentage of them were talking about the startup costs, okay, getting started and having the money available to get started. And the majority of the people responded was the lack of generating leads. Leads was the main thing that was holding them back, because I know what most people think, or you may be thinking, when you first think about starting a business, you be like, okay, who I'm going to talk to? I don't want to talk to my friends and family about it. I don't want to approach strangers on the street. I don't want to do hotel parties. I don't want to do hotel meetings. I get that. I can relate to you on that. That's why I'm shooting this video, because I was the same way. But I said to myself, I'm not going to let this hold me back from starting my business. There are ways to market your business. So I just want to encourage you all, market the business the way you want to market it. Market it according to your DNA. Your DNA may be an extrovert. You may love doing home parties and social, going out, and you bombard your family, friends, and strangers. That's okay. That works. Okay. And another percentage of you all may be like, I'm more of an introvert. I don't want to do all that. And is there a better way to do it online? And you don't mind putting in the work online. So I want to say to you all right now, it is possible to generate leads online. It's pretty easy if you're willing to put in the work. Now, me and Yumika have been generating leads online using YouTube, and a lot of our signups have been automated. We have people that sign up all across the globe while we sleep. So I just want to put that out there, guys. Don't let certain things hold you back. The cost of the business, don't let it hold you back. I mean, think about it. This is a opportunity to change your life. It's worth it. But for the majority of the people, that's fear of not knowing fear of generating leads, or not knowing how they're going to get leads. Guys, invest in yourself. There's courses out here that can help you generate leads online. Okay, so here's what I do for my team. So if a lot of my team members I have a YouTube marketing course, step by step, look over my shoulder type of course that shows them how to generate leads online. And if that's something that you want to do, you want to start your business, but fear of not knowing how to generate leads holding you back, I got you. Okay, we have put together a powerful course that can really help you understand the skill set required to market on YouTube and leverage the power of YouTube, if you're willing to do the work. Okay, so guys, don't let that hold you back. I just want to let you know that you can start your travel business and build it any way you want to build it. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Build it the way you want to build it. Okay, the word is yours. Okay, so that's my time. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. If you found value, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. If you or anyone you know are looking to become a travel agent, get started today by watching that free presentation below. All right, click that link, watch the presentation, and if you have any questions, reach out. All right, Larry Porter signing off, and happy traveling. Bye-bye.